Alright, let's see. Well, today let's do a video about how to ride a motorcycle. One of the hardest things people do is trying to get out of first gear. Like, either they let off the clutch too fast or they forget to add throttle. But here's an easy way. I'm over here in a parking lot. Here's a little tip that you guys could do when you guys try to ride a motorcycle. First off, I'm in neutral right now, and you can tell there's an N right there, the green light for the neutral, which means I'm not in any gear, which is why I can take my hands off the handlebar or the throttle and the handlebars, and it's not gonna die on me. So to go into first gear, you pull in the clutch and you kick down on the gear lever, and I'm not even gonna add any gas on this, but you'll know when it starts to grab because the bike will move not fast, but it will move slowly. So like, for example, here, I'll give you an example. My hand is not gonna be on the throttle, and you could watch this. I'm gonna slowly let off the clutch, and the bike will start to move, and you can hear the tone of the bike. It changes, and as you can see, it's moving. But I haven't fully let off the clutch yet. As you can see, I'm kind of just walking with the bike now, and this is going on its own power with just using the clutch. From here, I can start to slowly add gas, and then you can let off the clutch. And that's how you get out of first gear. So again, I'll go back to neutral. Clutch in, push down to go to first gear. Some bikes might be different. Most of them is gonna be, first gear is gonna be pushing down on the gear lever. If you're starting in the neutral position, first gear, you push down to go to first gear. And when you do go down in first gear, here's what happens if you don't pull in the clutch. So for example, I'm going to push down on the gear without pulling in the clutch. It dies. So let me go back to neutral. It's pretty simple. Step one, if you're starting in neutral, clutch in, push down to go to first gear, and slowly let off the clutch until it starts to move, and you keep your position there. Don't go any further. Don't let out any further. And then from here, add gas slowly, and then slowly let off the clutch, and that's it. We're gonna learn how to switch gears. So starting in neutral, clutch in, push down in the gear, slowly let off the clutch, slowly release, it starts to move. From here, add gas slowly, and then let go of the clutch completely. And then from here, you can let off the throttle, so roll it forward, clutch in, go up, slowly let out, add gas, and that's how you go to a different gear. If you ever want to come to a complete stop, all you have to do is, so let's say for example I'm coming up to a stop sign, or I'm coming up to a red light. Here's what you do. Obviously you press on the brakes, you let go of the throttle, clutch in, and then you find neutral if you're gonna be at the light for a long time. That's it. And whenever you're doing all these steps, just remember, like, you don't have to do it fast. You don't have to do it fast at all. Here's another example. I'm coming up to a light. I'm gonna let off the throttle, so roll it forward. Slowly start to press on the brakes, clutch in, and then downshift to first, or you could downshift to neutral. That's it. And now you can, once you're in neutral, you can let go. You can let go of the clutch, but it won't stall on you.